Alright, we are in Koda's van, and we're with Nino, and I'm in the back. He has this pit bike for his friend, so he's gonna bring it to the port for his other friend to bring to his friend. And
what a good friends.
And we're going to your wheels.
Your wheels.
He's gonna drop off these calves. Gonna get them rebuilt.
And what about you?
I'm picking up my wheels today.
Finally.
I don't know if Josh is coming with us, but
Yes, we're meeting up so you can see.
so Josh is gonna get his blitz, and I'm standing over here.
Sit on my 500 seat.
Oh, on your $500 seat. I can sit on this too.
Yanyan's road.
Inez
road.
You don't want to just make a left right there? We're gonna be there.
Well, I can just drop him off on the entrance. Do you see me?
Do you see me?
I'm coming out of Costco. I'm not on the street yet. I'm turning on Promenade, making left on Promenade to get on Inez.
Okay. Yeah, I just made on Freeway. I'll just pull over inside.
I'm on the freeway, Josh.
I just pulled over.
Frick.
Alright, peace out.
What's up, dude? Picking you up on the side of the freeway. That worked out. Well, we're gonna go pick up more cars because that's what we do. We're gonna go to Long Beach. It never ends. This work never ends for us. I thought Coda's picking up one car, but I guess he's picking up two cars. He imported a car for his buddy.
Was that why you have a 2-car trailer?
No, I have a 2-car trailer because I have all your guys' parts in my trailer, and I gotta go mail those out today too. But I gotta go pick up the Supra, which is Christina's Supra. I think you guys remember her, Girl Scout Cookies girl. She's not coming, but she's giving me gas money to pick it up, so I said yeah. Now we're using it as content, Christina. So joke's on you.
Koda's picking up GTR.
Supra, GTR, and Cresta. We have arrived at the ports. You guys know the ports already. Such a beautiful place. It's like Christmas every time.
You excited, bro?
Yeah.
Oh dang, you're wearing the merch, bro? And the new shoes?
Oh yeah.
Hey, it's too bright. Don't look at it.
Alright, well in the meantime, we can go check out the ocean.
Some nice B-roll, man.
Yeah, this is gonna be a great movie. Great intro for the Titanic.
Koda and Nino just looking at us like we're weirdos.
You guys don't wanna be in the movie? Hey, I like your new ride.
How many you guys got?
We got 3 of them.
You have to drive?
Now we're gonna load them up on the 2-car trailer and the single-car trailer.
Okay.
Sick, dude. Thank you, Coda.
Another one, bro?
Another one.
Why are you hoarding the GTRs?
The boys are back in town. Alright.
Wow.
Hey, we can take that one.
Yeah, it's not the prettiest thing, but she's already got all the parts for it. This thing's gonna be just as nice as her black one. We'll insert the photo here. You guys remember that one. But she instantly regretted selling the black one, so she got another one. She already got new fenders for it. I got skirts for her. Rear bumper, I don't know, she's gonna do wide body. It's gonna be the 50 mil wide body. And then she got wheels already. And we're gonna paint it.
EX90 Chaser.
The ultimate grandma car. Toyota seat covers. The brown interior with the red carpet, dude. Dang, dude, this car is lordly.
How far you think it'll go? It'll probably go half.
Freaking lordly.
Yeah, it's right there.
Well, it's for sale. $12,000. Oh crap, I forgot about this. Hey, do you have the jumper box? Oh, problems.
It's on there right now. Oh. Yeah, another one? Yeah.
Thanks for helping me, guys.
Oh, no problem.
Are we going somewhere?
Teamwork.
Ow, my tooth is chipped.
I heard that.
One more, last one.
Autobots, roll out.
What did you say?
You don't watch Transformers, bro?
I don't watch those stuff.
Autobots, roll out.
Hey man. Just cruising, checking out Toyota's GTR. It's a pretty nice whip there, Kota.
And you wanna close your eyes while you're at it?
Yeah. Dang, we took that bridge, that was tight.
Hi, never seen that view before.
Let me guess, you B-rolled it, Coda?
Of course.
Of course, your B-roll is gonna look like ours now.
Hey, is that Jordan's? Carl Montalban? What are you videoing?
I filmed you.
Can I do light cheese?
Look at that variety of menus.
Can I get a name first, please?
Chicken cutlet? This is yours.
Oh, it's mine?
No thanks.
You got soda?
Dude, why do they only have a jumbo Thai tea? They don't have like a regular Thai tea?
It's like either the small or that big.
Are you coming with me? Or are you going with Kota?
All right.
Hey, good to see you, man. We'll see you guys soon, I'm sure.
Alright, Jordan.
Next month.
Alright, guys. Just hang out
I might
by
struggle going up the
myself.
hill.
See you guys later.
Alright, guys.
Alrighty. Peace out. And nice to meet you, man. Take care. Bye, Ren.
Dude, this thing needs a car wash.
Hey, that's how I like it. So no one steals it.
Ooh, I got a new seat.
Capture wheels. Getting these bad boys, the SKF dude.
Time to get my wheels.
And going to pick out Jordan's wheel.
Josh Blitz.
What's up?
What's up? What are you guys doing here?
I got another KF.
What size lift this time?
I gonna get barrel 2 and
Okay.
9+0.
Okay. Let me, I can calculate it right now and see if we have the parts and everything.
Okay. Today on the road.
So yesterday ended off with VR wheels. My wheels were not done yet, unfortunately. Neither were Josh's. So we're gonna go, Coda found some wheels on Facebook Marketplace yesterday, and I was like, you know what, screw it. I'll just buy those too. While my wheels are still not done at VR Wheels. Seems legit.
If it's touching, is it connected? Consider connected.
You want to back it up all the way?
Over there.
Good enough, right?
I'll just lower it.
So it touches.
Ah!
What do you mean, officer? It's attached to my car. Good to go.
Oh, you want to bring that chair from the living room?
The beanbag?
Yeah, beanbag. Alright. What? Jordan's driving?
In case you guys didn't know, today was my first time cooking and driving.
Oh my god! Shit's out. 3 minutes away. Man, you're racing in this van, huh?
Racer.
Sorry
This
guys,
officer?
I don't know the ISO.
Is it right? This house. One of these.
Hey, it is.
Yeah, man. This is the one with the rashes?
Yeah, just that one. The other one's pretty clean. Hey, you had the white hatch, yeah?
Yeah.
You used
How do
to
you
live
know?
right down the street from me in Temecula. Like, right by Palma Valley?
Yeah. How do you remember? You're there? You live
Yeah,
there?
I had a red S13 at the time.
Really?
Like a PS Deuce kit. Yeah.
I don't remember seeing that.
Cause I went to
You
Grade
never
Up.
drove it?
Every now and then. When I went to Grade Up, what you call it, I'd always take that route and I'd see you. I'd see your car parked.
These are the wheels.
That's crazy.
Chaos.
And those are baby dips.
Yeah.
We're getting like 2 inches.
Because this is 7J and this is 7.5. This and this ain't even the same. Look, this one.
Yeah, they're not. Pass.
Yeah.
Take a pass. My bad, man. I didn't really notice.
Man, that
sucks. I really wanted them.
Dude, I just noticed that now. My bad, man. Sorry you guys drove all the way out here.
No worries, man.
Alright.
Well, that sucks, dude. I really.
Nah, shit, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these.
Well, no one knew about that. If it was same size, you would have bought it. Who would have guessed what? 7.5, 7.5, 7J, 8J.
Oh, this sucks.